Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful for 2025: how to turn your mobile phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot. Whether you're traveling, in a dead zone, or just need to share your internet, this quick guide will have you set up in no time. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is a Wi-Fi hotspot? It's basically your phone acting as a portable router, sharing its mobile data connection with other devices like laptops or tablets. With advancements in 2025, expect faster speeds and better battery efficiency, thanks to 6G networks and smarter AI optimizations. Step 1. Open your phone's settings. On most Android devices, head to Network and Internet, or Connections. For iPhone users, go to Settings and tap on Personal Hotspot. It's that straightforward. Next, enable the hotspot feature. You'll see an option to set up a network name, that's your SSID, and a password for security. Make it strong, like a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, to keep hackers at bay. In 2025, look for enhanced security features like automatic encryption upgrades. Once activated, your phone will start broadcasting the Wi-Fi signal. Now, on the device you want to connect, go to Wi-Fi settings, select your phone's hotspot network, and enter the password. Boom, you're connected. Remember, this uses your mobile data, so keep an eye on your plan to avoid overages. A few pro tips. If you're on a budget plan, enable data saver mode in your phone settings to reduce background usage. Also, for better range, keep your phone in a central location. If you run into issues, like connection drops, restart your phone or check for software updates. 2025 models have auto troubleshoot features. There you have it. Using your mobile as a Wi-Fi hotspot is a game changer for staying connected on the go. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.